Hello kids, let's learn numbers 1 to 10 and colors name. Light pink color, pink color, orange color, light green color, black color, violet color, yellow color, sky blue color, green color, brown color, blue color, red color, yellow color, 0, light green color, 1, 1 circle, red color, 2, 1, 2, 2 circles, blue color, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 circles, green color, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 circles, pink color, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 circles, violet color, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 circles, red color, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 circles, light pink color, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 circles, sky blue color, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 circles, orange color, 1, 0, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's revise. 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to Knock Kids. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.